Hey, welcome to the Backwoods Florida Adventures Trail Camera Pickup Series. We're back out in Catfish Creek State Park or State Preserve in Central Florida. And we've had these cameras in the woods now for a couple of months. We couldn't get back out to them because of the Corona shutdown. Had the parks closed, but it's back open now, thank goodness. So I'm going to go back in and check on my first camera. It's been raining off and on me since I left the truck. So we're going to slip back in here on this one. Probably going to have a lot of wind triggers on it. So it rained on me one time. I had to pull out my rain gear to keep moving, which makes it nice. Now the leaves are wet, so I'm not making so much crunching sounds. But it's been really windy. We had a little tropical depression off the coast here the last couple days, so I'm afraid I'm going to have a crap load of wind triggers, and well, even worse than that. Somebody actually cut my tree off to get to my camera. I left my camera laying here. I'm on state property. All right. They actually brought a saw. Like, who does that? I actually cut the tree to get my trail camera. Cut the freaking tree. Yeah. So I don't know if they took the card out of it or what, or who even comes back in here to even find this camera. That's what don't. That just makes me mad. Alright, well, they left it laying here. I'm on state land, okay. So, let's see if they took the card. Yep, took the card. Card slot's empty, so whoever did this knows about trail cameras, and for some reason doesn't want me putting them back in here anymore. All right, well, let's pack this up and get on out of here with it. So the other thing I wanted to note, you can see how brown the tree is where they cut it off. I did want to take a minute to look around just to see if the SD card's laying on the ground somewhere. But the tree's pretty brown now. That's been down for a few days. Looks like somebody took a pruning saw. Yeah, pruning saw to it, cut it right off there. So I guess if we're going to keep cameras out here, we're going to have to put them on bigger trees. Bigger trees than that. Anyway, don't see the SD card anywhere. They probably took the evidence of them out here. Obviously their purpose was not to steal the camera. Here's all the batteries. All the batteries for it right here. Those are probably still good. So let me keep looking around here. Alright, so I checked around. Did find a few of the batteries, but no SD card. Obviously don't want the evidence left behind of who did it and why they did it. But worries me because my other two are kind of way out in the open. This one's out off the main trail. The other two are very, very near main trail. So I'm going to save what little battery I got in this GoPro to film that. Okay, I was worried about this one because it's right out in the open. The other one was really hidden. So that guy's still there. Seems to be undisturbed. Alright, let's go see if the other one at the creek is still there. Make sure I don't step on a snake. We did see some people coming their boats down here. And that one's fine too. Right there. Okay. So let's get checking those.
Perfect spot.
Oh, you can see it. You can see what's in the water.
This is a pretty spot. It's easily shallow. Fish. Huh? The fish. I don't know that we do have time, but we're being sarcastic or?
No, I was being serious.
You're being serious?
Yeah.
You wanna give it a shot?
No, I wasn't being serious. I was. Oh God.
I want to say.
Sorry. Can I start, guys?